Wix App Market tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use the Wix App Market. So we're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now what we're going to do next is going to head over the apps from there. Click on App Market and we're going to see all the market products. You can see that we have some search bars everywhere, a little bit of everywhere here and there, that will facilitate to sort or filter the categories or the products. You can find the particular offers that they have here, for example, holiday sale, exclusive offers, whatever. Also, we have the categories, and you can see from the categories we have a lot. And also we have the explore for team picks, news picks, or some recommendation for you. Also, they have here some app manager right there to delete or update or remove your apps just right there. Now, I'm going to be back to the app market, how we can install an app or how we can search for an app. For example, we're going to head over Facebook, or we're going to need Facebook, for example, or Instagram feed. Doesn't matter. They are going to be on the same process. You're going to find your app. You're going to click on Add to Site, and it is going to be installed. But here, make sure that you have opened the specific app market within a page or site editor, not this one, because it is going to open up the site editor and it is going to take way longer. How we can find or open up the site editor, click on the setup or the home page, click on edit site, and do the same thing from here by click on add an app. You're going to find the market just like that. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.